Hello everyone, welcome to Hellovia, and today I'm going to share with you the review of Portronix, that is my buddy light foldable laptop stand. And this I'm going to share with you the complete design, how you can use this, and this is really very helpful. Trust me, because I'm using it from the last 6 months. So first of all, you just watch this video. I'll inform you about all the details, then you can make a choice whether you want to purchase this or not. And also this is very helpful if you have a long working hours either in your home or in office, and you are having any sort of back pain, and even if you are not having, then it would be really helpful for your overall health, the health of your back, your correct posture while working at home or in office. So friends, let's begin. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, because we are sharing only genuine user reviews. We are not sharing any paid promotions here on our channel. So please subscribe our channel, because our viewers are our greatest strength. And also like and share this video, and please watch the complete video till the end. You can open and close this with no efforts. You just have to give a little pressure from your thumb here, and after that just move it outwards, giving a very little pressure. So like this, it will be completely open and it will be stuck here with the grooves. So now this is completely sturdy. You can use it and keep your laptop here, and if you want to close it, you just have to press it a little bit and then move it inward with your both the hands. So just take care, just use it, open and close it with your both of your hands. So it will be completely effortless. Again, you just have to give it a pressure, open it like this, and it will be opened, completely stuck here. These are the two clips that you can adjust the height also, and this is rotational also. So your laptop will be stuck here, and then you can use your laptop. So this is your laptop will come in at this place. Like this, just keep your laptop, slide it inside, and then you can just lock it with this. Press it and it will be locked completely. Now your laptop will not move. And if you want to then remove it, just press your laptop upwards, close it, remove it, and then you can fold your stand back like this. So this is completely handy, completely foldable. They have provided these anti-slip pads as well. These are 4 in number. So with this, it will not move on your table, even with your laptop or without your laptop as well. So it has a very sleek design. You can use it in your computer. So let's come with the height adjustment. So they are having 2 height adjustments. First one is this height. Once you open it, it will automatically got stuck on the first height adjustment. And if you want to again decrease the height, this is the first one is the maximum height. If you want to decrease the height, then you just have to press these red buttons that are there. Just have to press it and slide it inwards. Now this is the second height adjustment. And if you want to again close it, just press these red buttons and then you can move it outwards. Just have to press these red buttons and you can close it. So let's talk about the build quality. So this model is POR 835. Okay, it has a very ergonomical design. It is made up of steel and silica rubber. So the build quality is really very good. There are no sharp edges except these two clip edges. Those are a bit sharp. I can show you I can show you as well. So only these edges can be hurt your hand sometimes while working on this. Except this, the build quality is really very good, and it can hold up to 4 kg heavy laptop. Its weight is around 350 grams, and you can adjust it up to 2 angles. And as I'm using it from the last 6 months, I am not facing any challenges. There is no problem with its sturdiness, or until now I'm using it really rough and tough. Daily 10 to 12 hours I'm working on this, so I'm not facing any problem till now. So I will highly recommend you this product. This is really good, and I'm completely satisfied with this one. Now if we'll talk about the height, so as you can see, it's around 11 inches. Its length is around 11 inches. It can be easily fitted in your laptop bag. It will not take much of a space, and also its weight is also not much. It's only 350 grams. So you can easily carry this daily to your office and back to your home. It will not take much of your bag space, and also it's not heavy on your shoulder as well. Now if we'll talk about the height to which it will lift your laptop, so this is around 6 inches. So its first height is 6 inches. So your screen will be raised up to 6 inches maximum. It's around 15.5 centimeter. And let's see for the next height, that is the lower one. Okay, so let me just adjust it. So this is the second height. It is around 5.5 inches or 14.5 centimeter. So you could say it's a 1 centimeter difference in both the heights. So usually I'm using it for a larger height. 6 inches is good enough for keeping your laptop up to your eye level if you are sitting on a good height of chair. So it's really comfortable. And also I will recommend you to use this stand along with a keyboard. What I am doing, I'm using it with a keyboard. So I have uploaded a video as well for a very portable and nice keyboard that also I'm carrying it to my office along with this laptop stand. So both of them are really helpful in making me comfortable while at work for longer durations. So friends, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video, so we will be motivated to make more useful videos for you. Thank you friends.